Assalamualaikum children, welcome back to your new class of English. So today we are going to do something new in our workbook. Take your workbooks out and open page number 29. Now the icons we have on page number 29 are read, and here we have a new icon which is answer. Well, this answer means, जैसे कि आपको इस आइकन में नज़र आ रहा होगा कि Q, it means that it is a question and you have to write the answer of that question. So this icon says answer. It means कि आगे आपको अपनी वर्कशीट में कुछ questions मिलेंगे जिसको आपको answer करना है. Then the third icon we have is color, and we always start with the date section, so write the date there. Then the first section we have a picture. Alright, so जल्दी से देखते हैं कि हमारी इस पिक्चर में क्या क्या है. Well, I can see an elephant, and do we have a frog in this picture? Yes, we do. There is a frog, and there is a deer, and oh look, there is a rabbit. Alright, and look, there is an alligator, and there is a monkey. Yes. Well, apart from these animals, इन animals के अलावा हमें और क्या क्या नज़र आ रहा है यहाँ? मुझे कुछ grass नज़र आ रही है, and I can see a little pond, and एक छोटा सा cloud भी है ऊपर. दिख रहा है आपको? Over here, right? Okay, so ये तो हमने सब देख लिया. और हाँ, कुछ stones भी हैं यहाँ पे. Okay, so now let's see कि इस पिक्चर में हो क्या रहा है, कौन क्या कर रहा है. What do you think? What is the elephant doing? Well, I think this elephant is drinking water. What do you think? Is it? Yes, it is drinking water. And tell me that what is the monkey doing? Well, I think that this monkey is eating banana. Do you think so? Yes, very good. The monkey is eating banana. And the rabbit is eating a carrot. Yes, rabbits को carrot बहुत पसंद होती है. और ये alligator क्या कर रहा है? What is this alligator eating? Well, I guess this is eating a fish. I can see a fish in its mouth. Can you see it? Yes, there's a fish in its mouth. Alright, or I can see a frog hopping. दिख रहा है आपको? A frog is hopping in the pond. Okay, and oh, what is this deer doing? Is this deer hopping or jumping? This deer is jumping. Yes, very nice. The deer is jumping. Okay, so I guess कि हमने almost पूरी picture हमारी जो है वो देख ली है, हमने इसको डिस्कस कर लिया है. सो अब देखते हैं कि हमें करना क्या है. Now, if you see in the second half portion of our worksheet, there are some questions written. कुछ questions लिखे हुए हैं जिसका मतलब है कि हमें उनका आंसर करना है. So, as always, we have the first one solved for you as an example. So, the first question is, what is the frog doing? What is the frog doing? अब ये हमसे पूछ रहे हैं कि फ्रॉग क्या कर रहा है. Well, अभी हमने देखा था what was that frog doing? It was hopping. Yes. So the frog is hopping in the picture. तो आंसर क्या हुआ हमारे क्वेश्चन का? आंसर हुआ the frog is hopping. The frog is hopping. And look, this is the same answer written over here. आपको इसको सिर्फ ट्रेस करना है with the help of your pencil. Now the next question is, what is the elephant doing? Okay, so अभी हमसे elephant के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं कि elephant क्या कर रहा है. So let's have a look at the picture and what is it doing actually? अभी हमने डिस्कस किया था. Is the elephant hopping or jumping, or is it eating something, या फिर it is drinking something? Well, yes, the elephant is drinking. What is it drinking? क्या drink कर रहा है? The elephant is drinking water. Yes, the elephant is drinking water. So now you will write the elephant is drinking water. जो लाइंस यहाँ आपको इस क्वेश्चन के नीचे गिवन है, आपने इन दो लाइंस में ये आंसर लिखना है. And make sure that the formation of letters are correct. Okay? So the answer is the elephant is drinking water. Now let's move on to the third question, which is, what is the deer doing? Now they are asking about deer. So क्या कर रहा है deer यहाँ पर? The deer is jumping. Excellent. Right? The deer is jumping. The deer is jumping. And that will be your answer. Now, the fourth question is, what is the rabbit eating? So they are asking about rabbit, but they are asking what is it eating? क्या खा रहा है rabbit? अभी just अभी मैंने आपको बताया था कि rabbits को क्या खाना बहुत पसंद है. Well, that is carrots. Yes. So हमारा आंसर क्या होगा? हमारा आंसर होगा the rabbit is eating carrot. The rabbit is eating carrot. Now, the fifth question is, what is the alligator eating? What is the alligator eating? अब रैबिट क्या खा रहा है पूछने के बाद हमसे पूछा जा रहा है कि एलिगेटर क्या खा रहा है. सो अभी हमने देखा था कि एलिगेटर के माउथ में क्या था? देयर वाज अ फिश. यस, दैट मीन्स दैट एलिगेटर इज ईटिंग अ फिश. सुपर. सो राइट, द alligator is eating a fish. The alligator is eating a fish. Very good. Now the last question is, what is the monkey eating? And I guess this is the ईजीएस्ट क्वेश्चन, क्योंकि हम सबको पता है कि मंकीज़ को क्या खाना बहुत पसंद है और इस पिक्चर में भी वो वही खा रहा है. सो व्हाट इज़ इट? इट इज़ अ बनाना. यस, this means that our answer should be the monkey is eating banana. The monkey is eating banana. And with this, you have completed all the questions by the help of the picture comprehension we just did. Yes, ये जो हम अपनी पिक्चर में एनिमल्स पढ़ रहे थे, वो क्या कर रहे हैं, कहाँ हैं और क्या चल रहा है, दैट इज़ ऑल द पिक्चर कॉम्प्रिहेंशन. यस, हम इस पूरे प्रोसेस को पिक्चर कॉम्प्रिहेंशन कहते हैं, जिसकी हेल्प से हमने अभी अपने सारे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स दिए और बिल्कुल सही दिए. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू नो दैट आपने बहुत अच्छे से ऑब्ज़र्व किया पिक्चर को और आपने बिल्कुल सही जवाब दिए हैं. दैट इज़ अ वेरी गुड साइन. सो कीप दिस हार्ड वर्क अप. And this was all for today. You only have to color the pictures now, and make sure that the animals color you choose are perfect, and try to color them in their natural colors, okay? And don't forget to show this to your mother and your teacher. So I will meet you in the next video inshallah. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.